Good evening, my dear students. Today we discuss one more topic. The topic is called as the synthesis of pyrimidine or pyrimidine. So the pyrimidine is also one of the nucleic acid. It containing the DNA and RNA and as well as the genetic information is presented in the pyrimidine and as well as the purine also. So the pyrimidine in our body, first of all, synthesis of pyrimidine, then next synthesis of purine. So the pyrimidine is synthesized from the by utilization of 1 mole of carbon dioxide, 1 mole of glutamine. 1 mole of carbon dioxide, 1 mole of glutamine. In glutamine, NH2 is added to the synthesis of the carbamyl phosphate and CO2. NH2 CO2 is known as a carbamyl. Phosphate means one ATP is attached to the CO2 and glutamine. It produces the carbamyl phosphate in the presence of carbamyl phosphate synthase 2 enzyme. In here, carbamyl phosphate synthase 1 enzyme is participated in the purine, but in pyrimidine, carbamyl phosphate synthase 2 enzyme is participated by elimination of the glutamine. Glutamine is converted to glutamate. By utilization of the 2 ATP molecules, it produces the carbamyl phosphate. It is a combination of the carbon dioxide and glutamine. The carbamyl phosphate, it contains the 1 phosphate molecule with the NH2 and CO2. The carbamyl phosphate, by utilization of the aspartate, it produces the carbamyl aspartate. Phosphate is replaced with the aspartate, is known as the carbamyl aspartate. So the carbamyl phosphate, it bind with the aspartate. The aspartate, it containing this remaining except the CO2 NH is known as the CO2 NH2 is known as the carbamyl phosphate. Remaining total structure is the aspartate. So the aspartate carbamyl, it combined to form carbamyl aspartate. This carbamyl aspartate, elimination of the H2O molecule from the carbamyl aspartate, it produces the dihydroartate, and as well as it produces the 6-membered ring also. It produces a 6-membered ring also by elimination of the H2O. The H2O elimination from the H2 plus O. H2O eliminated from this structure and it produces a 6-membered ring. The 6-membered ring is known as a dihydroartate. The dihydroartate is again converted to artate. Dihydroartate and artate. What is the difference between these two words? Dihydro means 2 hydrogen molecules. 2 hydrogen molecules are eliminated from the dihydroartate by utilization of NAD is converted to NADH2. The 2 H2 molecule, these 2 H molecules are eliminated from the dihydroartate. It produces the artate. Means one hydrogen is produced. The one hydrogen is eliminated from, especially here CH2. One hydrogen from here CH. Elimination of the one hydrogen, 2 hydrogens are eliminated by utilization of NAD is converted to NADH2. So it produces the artate. The artate is converted to orotidine monophosphate, OMP. The orotidine monophosphate, it containing the 1 acid group and as well as a ribose 5-phosphate group. The ribose 5-phosphate is also participated in the HMP and purine synthesis also. HMP and purine synthesis also. This compound is known as the orotidine monophosphate, OMP. The OMP is converted to UMP, uridine monophosphate, by elimination of the CO2. The CO2 is eliminated from the acid COOH. Here CO2 is eliminated. It produces a uridine monophosphate, UMP, in the presence of OMP decarboxylase enzyme. Decarboxylase means elimination of CO2 molecule. Elimination of the CO2 molecule from the OMP, it produces the UMP. The UMP is produced the UDP. UMP, uridine monophosphate, is converted to uridine diphosphate. So what is the main difference between UMP and UDP? Here it containing the only 1 phosphate molecule, but uridine diphosphate containing the 1 more phosphate molecule. Totally the uridine diphosphate, it containing the 2 phosphate molecules. The 2 phosphate molecules, it produced from the 1 phosphate molecule produced from the UMP. 1 more phosphate molecule is attaching of the ATP is converted to ADP. ATP is converted to ADP. It produces the UDP in the presence of kinase enzyme. What is the importance of the kinase enzyme? The kinase enzyme is mainly utilized in the attachment reactions or addition reactions. In the presence of kinase enzyme, always two or more compounds combine to form a one compound, UMP and ATP. It produces a UDP. Both are combined to form UDP. The UDP is splitting into two compounds. Depends upon the enzymes. In case of the UDP, in the presence of a kinase enzyme, it produces the UTP. What is the kinase enzyme importance? It is mainly involved in the addition reactions. Here, UMP is converted to UDP by addition of the ATP. UDP is converted to UTP in the presence of kinase enzyme by additionally adding of the ATP is converted to ADP. It produces the uridine triphosphate. The uridine triphosphate UTP is converted to CTP. UTP is converted to CTP. CTP means cytidine triphosphate. Cytidine triphosphate in the presence of CTP synthetase enzyme. CTP synthetase enzyme. In here, 1 mole of glutamine is participated here, and ATP also participated. It converted to glutamate and ADP. It produces a CTP. It produces CTP. It is the end product of the pyrimidine ring. And one more enzyme is participated under a special enzyme is called as the ribonucleotide reductase enzyme. Reduction means, what is the reduction? Elimination of oxygen molecules and addition of H2 molecules is known as a reduction. Ribonucleotide reductase enzyme means here 2SH means H means hydrogen molecules are added to the compound. This reaction is called as a reductase enzyme. Here thyrodoxine is converted to thyrodoxine means only S molecules are eliminated, remaining hydrogens are attached to the compound. This compound is called as a deoxyuridine diphosphate, UDP. Deoxyuridine diphosphate, DUDP. UDP is converted to DUDP. The DUDP is converted to DTMP. Uridine monophosphate is converted to thymidine monophosphate, deoxythymidine monophosphate. Deoxyuridine monophosphate is converted to deoxythymidine monophosphate in the presence of thymidylate synthase enzyme. In here, N10 or N5 methylase THF is converted to TH. Here, N10 and N5 methylene THF is participated in the formation of the TMP, deoxythymidine TDMP, deoxythymidine monophosphate. This is also called as end product of pyrimidine. So in pyrimidine ring, the two end products are there. One is the TDMP, one is the CTP. Depends upon the enzymes. One enzyme is the kinase enzyme, one enzyme is the reductase enzyme. Depends upon these two enzymes, it produces CTP and TMP. So this is our synthesis of pyrimidine structure. If you have any doubts, tomorrow we will discuss.